Small choices, big change. The hottest days of the year are no longer in the middle of summer. They are coming earlier, quieter, but more intense than ever. In early April this year, when summer is just beginning, not the middle, not even the peak of the season, temperatures in Vietnam have already exceeded 40 degrees Celsius in some places, such as Thai Hue in Nghệ An, Hung Son in Hà Tĩnh, and Dong Huy in Quang Tri. According to the National Center for Hydrometeorological Forecasting, this extreme heat has arrived weeks earlier than usual. This is not just hot weather. This is climate change, becoming real, visible, and impossible to ignore. So the question is, are we ready for what comes next? Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're here to explore something important, something that affects all of us, more than we think. We are living in a time where the Earth is getting hotter and weather is becoming more extreme. You may have heard of net zero, a future where we balance what we create and what we remove from the environment. But here's the truth. It's not just a policy. It is not just about governments or companies. It is a responsibility for each of us. Because environmental problems don't only start in factories. They start much closer, from our homes, our habits, our daily choices. This is not just an environmental problem. This is a human behavior problem. Today, many people say they care. They post, they share, they talk. But do they act? This is greenwashing. Looking green, but not living green. And this is dangerous, because it makes us feel like we are changing, when in reality, nothing is changing. The Earth does not need perfect words. It needs honest actions. At the same time, we all want a better life, more comfort, more convenience, more development. But here is the question. Can we grow without destroying the place we live in? The answer is not to stop developing. The answer is to change the way we develop. Smarter homes, cleaner energy, better choices. Not more, but better. So what can we do starting now? At home, save electricity. Turn off what you don't use. At work, waste less. Think before you consume. In daily life, choose better, even in small ways, because small actions, repeated every day, create real change. One person acts, a family changes. One family changes, a community grows. And when action becomes a habit, change becomes unstoppable. So today, I don't want to end with an answer. I want to leave you with a question. Are we truly living green, or just pretending to be? And more importantly, what will you do next? Because the future of our planet is not decided by speeches. It is decided by choices. And those choices start with each of us. Thank you.